Hi Naija Tribe. I'm so glad that I'm back today with you guys with another video. Today's video is all about how to buy local fresh produce at your local farmers market and some other tips to know when you go visit your local farmers market. I've been going there for the past few weekends buying my local fresh produce there instead of buying it from the grocery store. You know, support our local farmers. And I've learned a lot of things, so much I didn't know. So that's what today's video is all about. I just want to share those tips with you, so stay tuned. I'm here today at one of my local farmers markets. And it's the first time I've been to this particular location, but as you can see on a Saturday morning, it's hustling and bustling. And there's so many different varieties of things I can't wait to see. I can get my hands on and make some awesome recipes for you guys. Tip number 1, create a meal plan before going to the farmer's market. You're probably going to shop more frequently when you're buying more fresh local produce. So you don't want to buy more than you need. If you create a meal plan for the week and know what things you'll need to use, you'll save yourself a lot of time and money, and you'll use all of the fresh vegetables and fruit that you buy at the market. Tip number 2, have cash on hand, preferably in small bills. When you go to the farmer's market, it's a lot cheaper than going to the grocery store. A lot of the farmers do not even have credit card machines, or they have minimum, like you have to spend at least $10 before you can use a credit or debit card. So it's just really wise to have cash on hand. They have ATMs there, at least at the market in Charlotte, but you have to pay a fee. So to avoid that, just take some cash on hand, make sure you have some singles and some fives, and you'll be good to go. Tip number 3, take your own bags, basket, and coolers. Sometimes the farmers do not have bags, or they run out of bags or transport bags. So to avoid this and to, save the planet, take your own reusable bags. Is a lot easier to carry. Sometimes you don't know what the farmer might have in store that day, and just put it in a plastic bag is not easy to transport. If you're buying a bunch of beans, it's good if you have your own basket to take them in. If you're buying large produce, you don't want it to puncture the plastic bags they might have there. If you have your own reusable shopping bag, it makes life so much easier. And if you're buying refrigerated items, it might be helpful to bring a cooler with you, and you can store it in the car so it can stay crisp on the ride home. Tip number 4, go early or go late. Arriving early at the farmer's market, you'll get the farmer's best. You'll get the cream of the crop, as they say, of whatever selections they have. So I like to go early and pick the best vegetables that I can to make for my family and for the meals for the week. But also, when I've gone late, you get all the end of day discounts. So when they're trying to get rid of stuff, you can negotiate more, they're willing to give you more, and you get even more bang for your buck. So go early or go late, depending on which is more important to you. Also, for items that you and your family go through a lot, buy it by the case. You'll get 15 to 30% discount by buying it in large quantity. So consider those things when you're heading to the market. Tip number 5, ask the farmer. Talk to these guys. Ask them when it was picked, ways to prepare and store, if their farmer's organic, if they spray pesticides, if their farmer's open to the public, where their farmer's located. Ask all these questions. They love to talk to you. Know where your food comes from.